Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create your Facebook avatar. First, go to your Facebook app and click on the three horizontal line in the upper right corner. Then scroll down and you will see the option See More. Click on the See More. Then the avatars option will appear. Click on the avatars option. After that, you will see this page. Click on the next and then click on the Get Started. After that, you have to select your second tone and pick your hairstyle. After you complete picking your hairstyle, then you can mess up with the different options like face shape, complexion, lines, eye color, eyebrows, glasses, etc. You can even choose your body shape, clothes and hats. After that you have chosen or designed your avatar in the Facebook app, then click on the check mark in the upper right corner. Then your avatar will be created in several seconds. Then you will get this message, this is your avatar. You can also use avatar in comments as sticker, and you can choose to share it on your feed as your temporary profile picture. After you are all done, click on the X to exit out. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.